So hello guys, in this video we will solve this problem. So in this problem it is given that in the figure RC is equal to the RD, means this side is equal to the this side, and blue area is 10 centimeter square, means this area is 10 centimeter square. Then we have to find the area of the square. So like A, B, C and D. So this is the square, so we have to find out the area of this. So first you try, then you see the solution. So let's start. So first we assume like different parts in this figure, like this side is equal to the 2a, and this side is also equal to the 2a, because in the problem it is given that this is the square, so this side is equal to the this side in the square. So we are assuming this side is equal to the 2a and this side is also equal to the 2a. And in the problem it is given that RC is equal to the RD, means this whole thing is 2a and this thing is equal to the this thing, so this is a and this is also a. And we are assuming this part area is W and this part area is X, and this is symmetric to this part, so this is also X. This part area is Y and this is symmetric to this, so this is also Y. And this is 10, we know, in it is given in the problem. So now let's find different relationships. So you consider the triangle AOB, like this and this. So here AC and BD are the diagonals. So if diagonal intersect, so this angle is 90 degree. And we can write this W, which is the area of this triangle AOB, is equal to the half of this side and this side multiplication. And this is 2a and this is 2a. So this hypotenuse is 2a whole square plus 2a whole square. So this is 8a square, so which is 2 root 2 times a, and half of this is root 2 times a. So this AO length is equal to root 2a and it is equal to the BO. So this area is half of root 2a whole square. So it is equal to the, if we do, then this is equal to the a square. So this W, which is the area of the triangle AOB, is equal to the a square we found from here. So this is one relation. Now next consider the triangle ABR. Consider the triangle ABR. So here we find out the relation W is equal to the a square. Now we are considering the triangle A, B and R. So you see this is side 2A and this is the midpoint. So this is the midpoint, and from here if you do this perpendicular, this is 90 degree and means this height is 2A. So this area of the triangle ABR is half times base times height, which is equal to the 2A square. And what it is inside the triangle ABR, inside there is W, there is X and there is 10. So W plus 2x plus 10 is equal to the 2a square. This is another relation we find out. So one relation we find out W is equal to a square, and another we find out W plus 2x plus 10 is equal to 2a square. So here in a square is equal to W, so you can put this here like instead of a square W, and you get this relation 2x plus 10 is equal to W. Similarly, you can also consider these two triangles like that. If we consider triangle AOB and triangle COD. So we know that this is the triangle AOB and this is the triangle COD. So both triangle are similar types. So this W area, which is the area of the triangle AOB, is same as the area of the triangle COD, which is this y plus this 10, which is 2y plus 10. So we get one more relation, W is equal to 2y plus 10. This is one more relation. W is equal to 2y plus 10. Now you consider this thing like AQB, triangle AQB and triangle CQR. CQR. So you know that these two are opposite angles. So these two are opposite angles. So these are same. And this horizontal line is parallel to this horizontal line. So this angle is same as this angle and this angle is same as this angle. So these are similar triangles. So these are similar triangles we can say, and area of the triangle AQB we can say that it is equal to the like AB side divided by RC side we can whole square and CQR area triangle. So if we take this triangle area and if we multiply by the ratio of the sides, like these are similar triangles, so if we multiply by the ratio of the sides AB by RC square, then this quantity is equal to the area of the triangle AQB because these are similar triangles. And so what is the area of the triangle AQB? It is W plus X. W plus X, and this side AB is equal to the 2A and this side RC is equal to the A. And what is the triangle CQR area? It is equal to the Y. So from here you can see that W plus X is equal to the 4Y. So this is another relation. W plus X is equal to 4Y. So now we have many relations. So let's start with this relation 4Y is equal to W plus X. Because this is W and there are four similar parts A, O, B, and this is similar to COB and CODDOA. So this is W, this whole part is W, this whole part is also W, and this whole part including this also, this is W. So the total square area is 4W. So our goal is to find out what is the value of W, then we multiply it by 4, then this is the area of the square. So we know that the value of y from this relation also. Here you can write y is equal to w minus 10 by 2. So here you can write y is equal to w minus 10 by 2. And we know the value of x from this relation. It is w minus 10 by 2 is equal to x. So this is w minus 10 by 2. So now you can simplify this. It is equal to the 2w minus 20 and here it is w plus w by 2 minus 5. So 2w minus 20 and it is w plus w by 2 minus 5. So it is 4w minus 40 is equal to the 2w plus w minus 10. So w is equal to 30 is coming. So area of the rectangle is 4 times 30 which is equal to the 120. So this is the final answer. In this way you can solve this problem. Hope you like the video. We will meet in the next video.